And now we can consider the topic, how can we find the solutions of nonlinear equations of two variables? Suppose we have an equation set like this. Right? In the equation set we have two variables, x and y. How can we find the solutions to them? To solve the problem, again, we have to use the easy plot function. We can draw the first function. We can draw the curve for the first equation first by calling the easy plot function. And we say that all the points, all the curves satisfy the first equation. And then we use the command hold arm to reserve the original plot. And then have to use easy plot for the second equation. And I can draw another set of curves. So the question is, what are the solutions to the original simultaneous equations? They are the intersection points. All the intersection points are the solutions. And how can we find them? Because, for instance, if I want to find this point, what I need to do is to zoom this point until the x and the y axis were the same. So they are the same, and this one is still not the same. So we continue zooming on the results. That's strange. This is functioning. So that is the highest resolution I can get. So maybe we can use this one. And use this one as the result. And this one are for x and this one for y. We say that this point is a solution to the equation. So we have a break here? If you have a question.
This is like they got more like the one before. So they are 145.
So they are wow, this difference. I have inserted several pages.
Will you update on that?
I haven't. Sorry, no.
What will you?
I will. Maybe sometime later I will update.
And it's not come back yet.
So I think using this method you can draw the curves of the two equations and find the intersection. And in that case you can find all the solutions in the interested area. And these are the advantages. The advantages of this method is that you can visualize all the solutions. However, again, the accuracy of that solution may not be very high because it depends upon the scale of reading in the results. And we can change the interested area using the command like this. And now let's consider another equation set. If we want to solve this equation set, we can also use graphical method because there are only two variables. So these are the commands to use. And we can use a big command to open a new big window. And then we can draw the results. And if we zoom the area, we can see that there are two solutions. One is this one, and one is this one. It's by nature because one of the equations is a circle, the other one is a cubic function. So we can draw it directly, and we can find two solutions. Now consider back the original problem. If we move the term y to this side, we say that y is the cubic function of x. And if we substitute this one into the previous equation, we will have polynomial equation of x with a degree of 6, which normally means that we will have 6 equations. We have 6 solutions. But in the graphical method, we can only find two of them. Why? Because using graphical method, we cannot find the complex solutions to the original equations. So now we have to talk something about quasi-analytical solutions to polynomial type equations. There isn't any strict definition on the word polynomial type equations. So I will call this type of equation as polynomial type of equation, since they only contain polynomials. So it seems that the graphical method may not work to find the complex solutions to the original equations. So how can we find all the 6 equations from it? We can use the command in symbolic toolbox. So equation 1, we have to code them. Equation 1, equation 2, and all the equations. We can solve the equation and find the result S. Using the first syntax, we can find the result X, the result S. So where are the equations? The equations will be given S dot X or S dot Y. So in the first function call, we can use a command like this and find the X. And then we can find the solutions to the equation. And also we can explicitly write out the name of the variables X and Y and use the command to solve it.
And use return X and Y.
It will return X and Y. This is easier than that one. And also we can use this one to declare the variables if necessary. Normally we should use the second one. And remember that the EQN should be given by quotation, single quotation marks.